What if I told you that the country we're used to thinking of as the home of cars and beer is actually the world leader in producing gas from manure and corn waste? Sounds crazy? But it's true. Germany is the absolute champion when it comes to biogas plants. Over 9,600 facilities across the country, 67,000 jobs, and the industry's annual turnover exceeds 8 billion euros. And this isn't just business. This is a genuine green revolution that has transformed the energy sector. Right here in the heart of Europe, ordinary manure is turned into gas that can be fed into regular pipelines and sold like natural gas. How did they pull it off? Get ready. We're going to take you somewhere they don't usually let cameras in. The early 2000s. Germany, like the rest of Europe, is dependent on imported gas. Prices are rising. Resources are running low. But on farms across the country, thousands of tons of waste are piling up. Manure, poultry litter, corn and grass residues. This isn't just a smell problem, it's a ticking time bomb. As organic matter decomposes, it releases methane, a greenhouse gas 25 times more potent than CO2. What if you could turn a problem into a solution? What if waste could become fuel? The Germans decided yes, and they launched the biogas program. The secret lies in precision engineering. Biogas is produced in sealed reactors where special bacteria break down organic matter without oxygen. The principle is simple. Cows produce manure, manure goes into the reactor, bacteria release gas. But the Germans took it further. They don't just burn the gas on site, as they did in the 80s, they purify it to biomethane, 99% purity, and feed it into the regular gas grid. This is called biomethane, a full equivalent to natural gas, but renewable. And the main driver of this revolution is legislation. In 2000, they passed the Renewable Energy Act, EEG. The state guaranteed farmers a fixed payment for every kilowatt hour. This made biogas a profitable business. Support budget 28 billion euros with 20-year guarantees. The result? Explosive growth in the industry. Let's take a look at one of the most impressive projects, the town of Torgelow. In 2018, HomeBioGas launched a plant here with investments of 15 to 17 million euros. 6 massive gas holders. Every day, 10 local farmers bring their waste here, manure, corn, grass. And this is a closed-loop cycle. The plant processes 170 tons of organic material per day. It produces 11.6 million cubic meters of biogas annually. That's enough to supply gas to 15,000 people, a whole small town. And farmers get back up to 80% of the fertilizer for their fields. Minimum waste, maximum energy. Even the heating system runs on waste heat. Nothing is lost. But it's not just about engineering. The main secret to success is political will and economic incentives. In 2025-2026, Germany increased tender volumes for biogas plants by 1,726 megawatts, and the maximum support price reached 0.1983 euros per kilowatt. What does that mean? Investors are confident their investments will pay off. And here's the result: 9,605 biogas plants in the country, 67,300 jobs, mostly in rural areas where work is scarce. Annual turnover 8 billion euros. And yes, Germany is still the global technology leader. 700 projects worldwide, 18 countries. Made in Germany technology is a brand that sells from China to the US. But there are risks, policy changes. Investors need 20-year stability, otherwise it's not worth building. But German biogas doesn't stop at the borders. And VTech Biogas has already built over 100 biogas upgrading plants worldwide. Orders from China, the US, Europe. In 2025 alone, contracts were signed for 3 new plants. And for Dubai, they built a facility that processes tons of manure in the desert. European Union is demanding growth. 900 new biogas plants in Europe by 2030. And German technology is the key to that growth. But there's a word of caution. If Germany keeps changing the rules, it risks losing its lead. Still, today, 80.6 terawatt-hours of energy produced by biogas in Germany is a third of the entire volume in Europe. Waste has become gold. And this isn't a fairy tale, this is reality. What if I told you that the food scraps you throw away every day could cook your dinner tomorrow? Sound incredible? But it's real. Meet HomeBioGas, a personal energy system that fits easily in your backyard. Every year, tons of food waste end up in landfills, releasing methane, a gas 25 times more harmful than CO2. Meanwhile, gas prices keep rising. But what if your waste could become fuel? HomeBioGas is a simple and affordable system that turns organic waste into clean cooking gas. No electricity required, no complex installation. Just load in your food scraps, vegetable peelings, meat, dairy products, and even cat litter. Bacteria do the rest. In just a few hours, you get free gas for cooking. And as a bonus, liquid fertilizer for your garden. Many of these units are already in use in homes around the world. Families cook their meals every day using free renewable energy. And thanks to the fertilizer, they grow better produce. It's a closed-loop system. Waste goes in, energy comes out. No need to wait for the future. It's already here in a single box, ready to be set up in your yard. Join the green revolution. Less waste, more delicious food. Change the world for the better. If you found this overview of the biogas revolution helpful, how manure is converted into gas, how regulations make it profitable, and how this technology is spreading around the world, then make the world a better place. Subscribe to the Craft channel now so you don't miss the next in-depth look at agricultural technologies, farming innovations, and world-changing machines. And if you know someone who works in agriculture, in energy, or simply loves smart technology, forward this video to them, because such knowledge deserves to be shared.